POCO just announced the list of devices that will be updated to HyperOS before the middle of this same year. Specifically, it has been very few Indians who have published this list, but obviously it can apply to other regions, although maybe the timing can vary. The list is led by the small f, followed by the small m Pro and the small c. The small m is also there, and ultimately the small x Neo, making it a total of 5 items in the list. These devices will receive the update prior to the middle of the year, and will join the list of other devices that are already receiving this update, including the POCO C, POCO M, POCO X and X Pro, as well as the POCO X Pro, POCO F, POCO X, and finally, the POCO MG and POCO M Pro. These devices are scheduled to receive the update before the end of the first half of the year, along with the aforementioned devices that are already receiving the update. As you can see, there are several low-end devices that are recently receiving this update to HyperOS, showing that POCO is improving a lot in terms of update support, in fact even in their most affordable models. In recent times, this brand has been offering a good activity policy, which has surprised everyone because usually, budget devices do not receive many updates. Kindly let me know if your little device is on the list or not.